Hello everyone, this is Pamperchew. Here is my mechanical keyboard collection. Most of them. I kept them in this box for the last 5-10 years. I've been collecting since I was a teen. Probably around 12 years old I got my first mechanical keyboard. And my first one was one of these Focus 2001s. I literally have a box of those somewhere of about 20. Box of 20 of those Focus 2001s. I don't know where they are right now. But this is most of my collection. I have a variety, most of the variety I have. I have duplicates of a lot of them. But most of these are Alp switches. The white ones, I don't know. There's what one looks like without the keycap. I restore vintage keyboards. Currently on my desk is an OmniKey Ultra. Here are two other OmniKeys. The one on top is an OmniKey 101 and the one on the bottom is an OmniKey 102. And they have yellowed quite a bit. This was my first OmniKey. I got it at Surplus Recycle Center for $1. Here's another neat keyboard I have. It has an interesting feature. There's a do button right there. It just says do. But I do restore these. I use them on computers around the house. Here's a couple Cherry keyboards. This one has a POS. It's basically for a POS, point of sale register, cash register, where they have a card slider or a card whatever these kind of cards are called. We don't have those in America that much, but we have a lot of this kind where you slide your card. And here's an old mechanical keyboard off of a PC Portable. Unfortunately, the computer got recycled, but I saved the keyboard from the trash. And oh, here's the very first keyboard I ever had. This is not a mechanical keyboard, but that came off the computer I had when I was 6 years old. And there you go. I also have a couple Model M's. One Model M is not in this picture, but I have a 1983 Model M that I restored. And I also have, this is the very first PS2 keyboard. And these are buckling springs. The year on that is 1992. If you listen carefully, those are buckling springs. These are Alp switches. Here's the current keyboard on my desk. This is an OmniKey Ultra. Focus there. It has the little dip switch underneath there. Cool thing I like about it, control and caps lock are swapped, and it has 24 F keys. I also have an iFeel mouse band, which has a little vibrator built into it, but that don't seem to work. And a cool Boeing mouse pad. And down here on my computer, got Blu-ray burner, 5 1/4 floppy, and cassette deck. I can listen to my cassettes and play old video games, whatever. Here's an old battery backup that I got. But there's my computer and my OmniKey Ultra. I got this keyboard from a teacher in college. When I got it, it was covered in food and really dirty. So I took it all apart and I cleaned it really well. I replaced a lot of the Alp switches using parts from scrap keyboards. And it works wonderfully now. It's from 1990. So it's 23 years old. And it works great. I can never understand the desire to have a brand new mechanical keyboard. I know they make really nice ones nowadays, but the old ones are just so much bigger and heavier and well built. This thing weighs about 10 pounds. But there you go, my mechanical keyboard and collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.